Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class, we have learned that how to build one YouTube video downloader with Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now, in this class, we will see that what is website blocker in Python, and we will also build with it. Okay, so let's start. Now, first of all, go to window and open your text editor over here. Okay, so I am opening it, my atom text editor over here. Okay, so you can see this, I have opened my text editor. Okay, and now here just I am closing these things over here. Now here you can see this, I have made it one file blocker.py here. Okay, you can see this file over here, blocker.py, my file name is. Okay, you can also take file from your name. Okay, if you want to take this name, so you can also take, but just you have to go to file, then take new file and then just give it name. But .py is really important. Okay, like you all know that, but I am repeating it again. .py is really important, so it will be saving in Python file. Okay, means Python language. We will write any code, it will be coming in Python. Okay, so now here you can see this we have done, and now from here you can edit or undo your things if you are working, and select. You can also find packages. These are many packages of this text editor, so you can also download this from here. Okay, and if you don't know about this text editor, so you can also take the help over here and version. Okay, you can also see that over here. Now here you can see this. Now I have made it one file blocker.py. so now we will start with our coding over here. Okay, so now here you have to do like, first of all, here we will write one tag over here which is called import. Okay, so now here we will write like from. Okay, we are importing time. Okay, we will import time and date time over here with website blocker. Okay, so we have to block any website over here, so I am just doing like that. So now here you have to import like from, you have to write first of all time. Okay, because we will work this tag with time and date time over here. Okay, so we are importing like from time, and now here you have to write from time import. Okay, because like I have tell you, or we have to import time over here. Okay, and I hope you all know this from time and import tag, because we have learned about this many times when we are building one tic-tac-toe game. So we learn about these tags over here, and I hope you all enjoyed that class, and you will also enjoy this class also. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have import my time text from time import over here. Okay, and now here you have to write just this sign, means multiplication sign, but it is just this tag you have to write when you are writing from time import, or any tag if you written with from or time and import over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written this tag. Now come over here, press enter. Now here you have to define like from date time. Okay, like I have tell you, we have to import date time and time over here. So we have defined time, now we are defining date time. Now here you have to write like from date time, which will be import. Okay, again import, and now here it will be like that, this sign over here, and now here you have to write like from date time import over here. Okay, so now here you can see this. Now just here you have to write like host path. Okay, host paths mean that from where our file will be changing website. Like if you are blocking any website, so there is a file in your computer, in every computer this file is hosts. Okay, hosts dot path. Okay, it's dot path, not it is only hosts over here, but this file you are getting your website. Okay, website like any website, if you are having blocked in it. Okay, means if your net is working but it is not opening, so it will means that it is blocked over here. Okay, and in this file your websites are blocked. Okay, so you have to take administration permission for it. Okay, so I have already taken over here, so you can also take if you want to. Okay, so you can work with this. Okay, if you don't take, so you can't work this with this tag over here. Okay, like with this topic we are working and project over here. Okay, so now here you can see this host path is same from everyone over here, just the users is change over here. So I am defining like R. Okay, just this is writing, and now here you have to define like C means C drive, you all know that. Now here just semicolon, and now here you have to define Windows. Okay, because this work is on Windows, C Windows. Here you have to define like system32. Okay, here our file is. Okay, so we are writing system32 backslash, and now here you have to write drivers. Okay, and etc over here, and now here you have to write your file name. Like I have like you all know, and I am telling you it again, like host is your file over here. Okay, so now here you have to write this host file, and this is only one location where you can find it. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written this. Now you have to just go over here and you have to write redirect. Okay, we have to define like redirect of any URL like 127.0.0.1. this is one URL from which your website are made it over here. So every website, if you made it, or you can see like Facebook or Google are like websites over here, so these all made it with 127.0.0.1 website URL over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written. Now here I will write redirect. Okay, redirect over here, and now here just equal to, and like I have tell you, we have to write like 127.0.0.1. just you have to write this sign string over here and string in this starting over here. Now you have defined till over here. Now here you can see this, we have defined host paths, and now here we have defined redirect over here. Now here you have to do like just come over here and write here websites. Okay, here you have to write the websites which you have to block. Okay, so I am writing like www dot, just I am writing Facebook. Okay, you can also open it if you want to, like, so you can also open it facebook.com, and now just I am writing full form, and now here you have to write like just only facebook.com. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have written. You can write many websites if you want to block over here for permanently, or if you open, so you can also do like that. Okay, so now here you can see this websites. Okay, and now here you can see www.facebook.com, and there is Facebook. I have to block this, and I will open it also. I will show you that how to just unblock it all. Okay, so now here when you have written this all, just you have to do like press enter, and now here you have to define like while, and now here you have to define while true over here, and now here you can see this, I have defined these all things, and in this I am defining while true. Okay, in while true you have to define like, I tell you that we are using this date time module and time module many times, so we have to use this date time again over here. So now here we will define if date time module, and now here you have to again write date time. Okay, which will be dot now over here, and now here you have to define air. Okay, and now air will be like, and now here when you have written this all, and now the air you have also defined, and now here you have to write like dot, just you have to write comma. Okay, and write date time dot now, which will be like this. Write dot month. Okay, dot month, which will be like, here it will be date time. Okay, again write date time, and here will be dot now, which will be like that. Okay, so now till here I have defined my work, and now here you have to define comma, which will be day, and comma 8 over here. Okay, so now here you have to write dot over here. Okay, so we will write dot. Okay, so now when you have done this all, just come over here, and now here you have to define like date time. Okay, date time, and here you have to define like, when you have done this all, date time dot now. Okay, and like that, and now when you have done this all, just here you have to do like, just you have to only write date time over here. Okay, so now here we will write like date time, and now here you have to write date time dot now, and now when you have done this all, again write air. Okay, again date time dot now, and now here you have to write dot month over here. Okay, and now here write dot month, and now here you have to define date time again, it will be dot now, and it will be like that. Okay, so now till here I have defined my work, and now here you have to do like, just when you have done this all things, and now here you have to do like this, and now here write here like comma, and now here you have to write like day. Okay, here you have to write like day, and now with day you have to write just dot over here. Okay, so now with dot just comma and 20. Okay, so now I have defined these all things. Okay, you can see this all, I have defined this all things over here. Okay, now with date time I have defined. Now here when you have done this all, just you have to write this sign again. Okay, so now just bracket over here. Now just when you have done this all, just here you have to do like, just first of all erase this. Okay, and now here you have to do like, just here write this, and now write date time again, just erase this one. Okay, and here you have to write like date time again, and now it will be dot now, which will be like that, and now dot air, which will be like month. Okay, okay, and month over here, and here will be like that, and now just it will be date time, not month. Okay, so now we are defining date time, and now when you have done this all, just you have to do like here you have to write dot now again, like I have tell you, and now here when you have done this all, just you have to erase this tag. Now here write dot, and which will be now month, and now it will be like that, date time again, which will be dot now, and it will be like that. And now when you have done this all, just here you have to write dot, and now here you have to write day 20. Now till here we have done our work. Just you have to close this bracket over here, now semicolon over here, and press enter. Now when you have done this all things, now here you have to define like from open. Okay, from open, and it will be like from open hosts path. Okay, so like I have tell you, we are defining our host path, so I am writing like host path, which will be now comma, and now here will be r and equal to plus. Okay, so now here I am defining like this over here. Now here you have to do like that, and now if date time like from open, and here I am defining host path over here, and now r plus. Okay, so now here I have defined these all things over here, and now here you have to do like just you have to press enter, and now here you have to do like that. Now when you have done this all, just write here content. Okay, we will also define content, which will be open, and in this content you have to define host path. And now when you have done this all, just write like that, and now plus r. Okay, so now here when you have done this all, come over here, write file ptr, and now here just write open, which will be with hosts. Okay, sorry, it will be with host path. Okay, host path, and only this one. Now if you write open over here, and now here if you write file ptr, and if you write dot read. Okay, so now in this dot read you have to write nothing, just content over here. Now just when you have done this all, just content, which will be equal to file ptr. Okay, dot read, only this bracket. Now here you can see till here I have defined my all this work over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have defined my all work over here. Now here you have to do like when you have done this all, and I hope you all understand, we are defining this date time many times, because we have to define like what will be date, what will be the year, and what will be the like month, and it will be day. So it is asking every date time over here, so we are defining this all, so we can block our website over here, and we are defining also these all things, so we can block it. Okay, so now here you have to do like just when you have done this all over here, now here just you have to write like here also, and now here you have to write like from open again, which will be now host, just like that, which will be host path over here, which will be like that, it will be r plus. Okay, and now here you can see this we have done. Okay, and it will be content, which will be open. Okay, only like that, it will be same just like that, but it will be just some difference between them. Okay, just difference between them and difference between them. Okay, it is one line and it is second line over here, so we have to just keep difference from each other over here. So now I am defining like content, open content, and now here I will show you like my website is working if I write facebook.com. Okay, so here you can see this, it is working over here. Now if I close it all, and now if I do like that, and now if I open like plus r plus. Okay, just you have to write this in a string over here. Okay, just erase this string from here. Now write open, which will be now in this r plus, and now it will be like that, file, and now write dot ptr over here, and now here you have to do like content again, which will be equal to file ptr. Okay, ptr, and content over here. Okay, content, and now content dot open, which will be file ptr, which will be now dot content over here. Okay, so now we are defined many things over here. Okay, and I hope you all understand this, because we are open our file with host path, so we are defining these things two times over here, just one string here, one string here, because we are defining second time, so we are defining one string over here and just one string over here. Okay, so now it is working, and now here you can see we are defining from host path content open content plus r plus open dot file ptr over here, and content file ptr content dot open file ptr dot content. Okay, so we are defining many contents over here, so we can like we can understand like what content and what website you have to block. So Python can understand that what content he have to write, what content user have to write, so he can block his website. So we are writing our content with file ptr, so we are writing like this over here. Okay, so now here till here I have defined. Now I will show you like when I am telling you see Windows System32 drivers etc and host. So like I have tell you, this location is in all computers. If you purchase or if you buy and if you download Windows 10, so this host file is in every computer and every Windows. Okay, so now I will show you where is your file. Now if you go to local disk C, and here you can see this Windows folder, so I am pressing this, and now if you go down over here and now System32, then here if I go, and here you can see like drivers, we are mentioning that, and we mentioned over here drivers. And now if I go to etc, and here you can see this host file. Okay, like I have tell you, this file is in every computer. So now just close it, and now we are defining this files over here. And now if you do like that, and now here just we have written our website name. Okay, so we have to define it another time. Just copy this and now just paste, and now if you do like that and write Facebook. Okay, and if you write Facebook again .com. Okay, so now you have to just save it. Okay, and now we will save this also over here. Okay, now if you write again content, okay, over here .open and file ptr, just we have done. Just if you save it again. Okay, and now if we run it command prompt, and now my file name was like I and blocker. Okay, so we will run both of them. Just here you have to write like Python. Okay, Python, which will be just you have to first of all define cd desktop location Python, which will be blocker.py. Okay, so it is working, and now just it is giving one error. Okay, so now if I run like Python, okay, so I am writing .py. So now here you can see this, it is stopped over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, it is now stopped. Now if I close my, just if I minimize it and refresh, and now if I open Google Chrome and write Facebook, so now here you can see my net is working. Okay, my net is working, but it is not opening. Okay, it is not opening because we have blocked this website with Python over here. Okay, so here you can see this site can't be reached. Okay, here you can see my net is connected over here, but the website can't reach over here because I have blocked this over here. Okay, so now I will show you like how you can block Instagram, or you can also block many websites. Okay, so now if I write Instagram over here, instagram.com, and now if I write like Instagram over here, and now Instagram. Okay, just spelling was incorrect over here, and here also just save it. And now here I will show you like I don't run over here. Okay, I have don't run. Okay, so now if I open Instagram, it will open over here. Okay, because I have don't run over here. Okay, so you can see it is opening over here. Okay, so now it is opening. Now if I close it, okay, and if I close this, and now if I run this, okay, command prompt, where is my command prompt? Here you can see. And now if I just you have to close it and again run, because it was running just now. cd desktop, okay, Python i.py over here. So now here, now it is running over here. Okay, this all is running. Now if I show you Instagram, so now here you can see this site can't be reached because this site is now blocked over here. Okay, and now I will show you like if you want, like if you blocked it, and if you now you have to open it. Now you can also do like that. Just if you close your website, and now here like I have show you location of that file. Now just open that file from here. Okay, just open it, and now this is System32, and now here just you have to go to drivers. Now just etc, and now there is host file. Now just open it. Okay, with notepad you have to open, just okay. So now here you can see there is written Facebook, Instagram, because we have blocked it with Python. So when we block any website, and like I have tell you, the URL and local host name is same, okay, of every website over here. So now if you just have to means that if you have to open, now here you have to do like just these things you can see this all www.facebook.com, facebook.com, and now here instagram.com, because we have just blocked that website. So these are here. Okay, so from here you can, or if you don't do with Python, okay, so if you want to do it normally, so you can also do from here. Okay, just here you have to write your website name, then it will be blocked over here, but you have to write this local host name also. Okay, so it can be like it can see like what is localhost, you have to just blocked over here. Okay, so from this your website will be blocked. Now for opening it, you have to just backspace and now just erase this, and now just file save. Now just if you just close over here, and now if I open it again, okay, over here, now it is just coming again, just close it, save it again. Okay, just close it, and now if I open it again just for seeing. Okay, so now here you can see this, and now just close, just save, and now if I open my Facebook, and like Instagram, so now here you can see this, my Facebook is open now over here. Okay, because I have opened now, unblocked, this is now unblocked. Now for unblocking, just you have to erase these names. Okay, so now I am erasing these names. Okay, like I have written this all names over here, so just erase, and now just erase this also. Okay, Instagram, save it. Okay, and now save this also. Now like this we have done. Now just come over here, save this also, close, and now if I open my Instagram, so now just like that you can be working. Okay, so I have blocked my here. So now here if I run it again, just close, command prompt we have to open. Okay, cd desktop python, and now here you have to write like i.py, and now it is running. And now if you do like that, and now just here you have to just write like that, save over here, and now just go over here, and now just local disk C Windows, here you have to go to drivers. Okay, where is drivers, if you want to just system, and now here you have to go to drivers. Okay, drivers etc host file is here, and now open with notepad. So now here just erase this localhost. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have erased, save, and now just close, and now open notepad. Okay, so now it is now gone, now it will be open. Okay, now our website will open. So now here you can see now my Instagram has been open over here. Okay, so now here you can see this. Now like this you can open, and you can also block your websites over here. Okay, like this you can all do like that. Okay, so I hope you all understand this all things, like how to block your website with Python and how to open it with your Python. Okay, I have not opened with Python, I am only open with host over here, so it is really easy to do that all. Okay, so I hope you all understand this class also, and I hope you you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So now I will meet you in another class. So for today, goodbye.